Hi, I'm Stephen Howard with this new video series on Monday morning messages for people leaders. You know, managing people is really a 1980s construct. No one wakes up in the morning and wants to be managed, and I guarantee you no one wakes up in the morning and wants to be micromanaged by their managers or their leaders. So managing people, it's no longer applicable or relevant in today's world. It's why people lead bosses, not organizations. As U.S. Navy Vice Admiral Grace Murray Hopper once said, you manage things, you lead people. So leading people today is a new mindset. Leaders need to stop treating employees as only a means to an end. That mindset is contributing to millions of people around the world quitting their jobs and seeking new employment with organizations that truly value them as human beings. There's been a fundamental change in what people value, and work is no longer the most important thing that defines a large portion of the workforce. So working harder and longer is no longer worth the sacrifice of health, harmony, personal relationships, and non-work responsibilities. And leaders need to understand that. Most importantly, leaders need to understand that you manage things, you manage processes, you manage policies, you manage procedures, but most importantly, you lead people. I wish you a wonderful rest of the week. This is Stephen Howard.